This is a UREVO SP1 Lite treadmill. I've had it for about 6 months and it has been working fine until a couple days ago. It suddenly started making a dull thumping or bumping sound, and I can feel it vibrating when I am walking on it. And I Googled this, and I'm pretty sure it is not the belt. There's a lot of threads online that will say for a new treadmill, especially with the belt seam, as that goes over the rollers, you might hear a thump once or twice per revolution. The thumping is much faster than that, and it sounds internal, so I think it could be a motor or a bearing or something on the inside. In this video, I'm going to try to turn it on and see if my phone's microphone will actually pick up the bumping sound. So I'm going to start at the lowest speed. And I don't know if you can hear that. I'll gradually increase the speed, but I'm kind of going to tap my finger to the frequency of the bumps. So that's kind of the frequency of the bump. So again, it's much faster than it would be if it was just bumps as the treadmill was going over the rollers. I'm going to up the speed and see if the bumping gets easier to hear in this video. So there, maybe that's a good combination where the speed of the treadmill isn't too loud and you can hear kind of that thumping or vibrating noise in there, which again seems to be going too fast for it to be the belt. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm taking this video to send to customer support, but if you happen to be watching this on YouTube because you have the same issue, please leave a comment if you know what the solution is. Thank you.